Okay, anyway, so, hi guys, I'm back. Today I just filmed like my everyday like makeup look, my like go-to makeup look that I did for school and stuff when I actually did do makeup. Because I really like this look. It's just really like natural-ish and it's pretty and fun. So yeah, I also like showed you how I do my nose contour and stuff, which is really fun. I actually did pretty good today. I'm kind of proud. But yeah, so if you want to see this and like chat with me, I pretty much just like went through my life for the past year just to like tell everyone where I've been and what I've been up to. Yeah, so if you want to see that, then just keep watching. We're okay. She's okay. So I'm gonna do a natural every day, like what I was doing at school, which was super easy. So that way I can like talk and do things. So first thing I'm gonna use is this Laneige Blur Perfector. So I really like it because it blurs all my pores, makes them non-existent, which is what we want. And I already put on moisturizer. I like changed up all my skincare last summer and it's been like the best thing that's like ever happened. So I use that entire line, like Laneige face wash, toner, moisturizer. And I like that. And then same foundation. I literally just rebought this like last week because it's that good. This is still Buff Beige. It just gives you like such a good healthy glow.
I just love it so much.
And then same old, just pounce this into the skin. I've actually been using brushes more recently. And then I like went on a binge of like watching Jaclyn Hill, all of her most recent videos, and she uses a beauty blender for all of them. And I was like, but yeah, how is everyone? Good? Good. My life has been absolutely nuts. I haven't done this in a year and I've missed it so much. It's just been crazy and wild. First semester was rough. It was not fun. It was not good and fresh. It was a hot mess. Just school-wise, like my life was fantastic. Like it was absolutely great, but just like anxiety-wise and school-wise and all of that stuff, it was just, oh, Tarte Shape Tape, same old, same old. I use a lot of the same products. I need to like switch it up. This is just every day, so. But yeah, it was not a good time. So when I came back for Christmas break, I like refigured my life out, made a lot of changes, which made last semester like super great. I was actually supposed to go abroad, but I had so many things going on in my personal life. I was like, this is just not the time. But yeah, I stayed, but that way I got to do a lot of stuff with my sorority, which was like so fun. Like I've never been as involved as I was this past semester, and I'm like so happy that it worked out that way because it's just amazing. It's not, people always think of sororities as like the things that you see on TV and like in movies, and it's not like that at all. Well, at least not at my school. Because we have a really small school and chapter, or I guess we have a pretty big chapter because like compared to our school, but it was so amazing, and I made like so many good friends, and I did so many things, and it was really great. The Cover FX Perfect Setting Powder. Yeah. And I'm just gonna use a small, okay, fun fact. So I went to the Sephora store and I was gonna buy a little like concealer blending brush, and that's what I thought this was. They're all like packaged. They all have, what is it called? Like little plastic capsules, I guess, that like protect the brush part when you buy them, so you can't tell what it looks like. But it was in the place of the concealer brushes, and I thought I was buying one, and I wasn't. I bought this one. But it's fine, because actually I really like this for like under eye powder and all that stuff. This past semester was really great actually, but I was really focusing on school. Like that was like my #1 priority because I had done so bad in my fall semester. So I had to really focus and like buckle down and do all of that stuff. So now that I figured that part of my life out, I'm back. Next. Eyebrows. I'm gonna do these off camera because they take 17 million years and I can't talk while I do them, so I'll be right back. I recently realized that this product is a little too dark for me. This is ash brown. It's supposed to be for blondes. I don't know. This is the like Anastasia Beverly Hills pomade, and then I just put this Gimme Brow over it. Yeah, she's bold today. It's okay. We're gonna do blush next. I still love these things so much. These are the cloud paints from Glossier. I use them every single day, literally every single day, and they're just so good. So we're gonna continue. I always do too much. It makes you look more like a little sunburn, so that makes you feel like more tan. That was kind of a lot. This is Cloud Paint Seamless Cheek Color. This one is in Beam, and then this one is in Dawn. So yeah, basically what's been going, what else has been going on in my life? I don't really know. That's pretty much it. I'm gonna be a junior, so in college, which is kind of super wild. I don't know what that's about, who allowed that to happen, but here we are. That's weird. Okay, I love these Brandy Melville tops, but they're like way up in my armpit. Like, I feel like also that fake tan. We love that. Okay, and now I'm just gonna blend this out further so I don't look like a crazy person. Unless you like that much blush, then like you go, sis, but not for me. Oh, also guys, I learned how to nose contour recently, and I've never been like a person who nose contours ever. Like, I hate my nose. I hate it, I hate it, I hate it. I'm definitely getting a nose job after college, but I recently found out how to nose contour, and it's kind of like the best thing that's ever happened. I still use this one, except it's broken, so I need a new one. It's the Make Forever Pro Bronze Fusion. It's all like crumbled and sad, but I still use it because it's really good, and this shit's expensive. It's like, makeup in general is just so expensive. I'm just like gonna exclusively buy it from like Morphe and stuff now. Okay, well that's a lie. I'll probably end up going to Sephora a lot because it's literally my life, but their stuff is so good and so cheap. Jaclyn Hill was just talking about this, she's talking about this new bronzer from Morphe, and she's like raving about it, like comparing it to the Marc Jacobs one, and I really want to try it. Also, I've had like 17 hair transformations since last summer. I literally, this looks really intense on camera, it's not this intense in person. It was like this color last time I filmed, I think. After that, I went like full blonde, like full platinum blonde my entire head, and I love that so much, but also like that's so bad. Your hair, and I like retouched up twice, and then I was like, okay, so this is literally, I love this so much, but I do not want to be bald by the time I'm 30. Like, I really just don't. So okay, I'm gonna go in with the highlight and contour palette by IBY Beauty. I've had this for literally ever. My favorite color is the middle one, but it's like pretty much all gone, so I'm just gonna use the first one and the third one, which like isn't ideal. You probably shouldn't do that, but YOLO, it's fine. But yeah, I was platinum for a hot minute, loved it. That was something I had like always wanted to do, but was too scared because again, I didn't want my hair literally falling out. But my hair, I'm like really lucky. It's super amazing, and I'm so thankful for it. I like did that twice, and then back in January, I like went dark brown. Like, I went from bleach to literally dark brown, the extremes. We love the extremes. I think my ear popped. I already said that, but now it's really bugging me. Oh, it's only because my allergies. Ugh, my allergies have been so bad, I don't know why. But anyway, yeah, so then I went full brown, and I actually really liked that too. It's been dirty blonde my whole life, and I really just wanted like something different. Now I think I'm gonna go back to platinum, which is so bad, but like, that is dark as F. I feel like I don't know how to do subtle on this channel. Not one of my strong suits. Plus I'm still learning, so like, don't hate me. Also, it's because I use the darkest contour color. I'm just gonna blend this all out to soften everything. Also, I think I'm gonna bake. I think I'm gonna use this light banana color, and then the same brush that I used earlier, or maybe mix between these two. This powder is also really nice because it doesn't like dry you out or anything. Like, if I douse my face in it, I used to use the Laura Mercier powder, but that stuff is so drying. Like, it's so good. Like, I definitely bought like 2 or 3 of those. But one, it's expensive. It's like 45 bucks. And 2, it just dries you out like, sorry, these like are super nasty. But it's because I use them every day. Like, I'm doing my everyday kind of situation. I forget which one this is. Is this like Armed and Gorgeous? I think this is the Armed and Gorgeous one. I could, oh, Armed and Gorgeous. Okay, so I'm gonna take this yellow color. Yellow is just such a staple. I just love it so much because it helps blend everything in and just make everything like look super natural, especially because I've been loving, like, I haven't been doing eyeliner at all, and just kind of just doing the whole like semi sparkles and then a little mascara, and I just love the way that it looks. What else has been going on in my life? I don't even know. I feel like that's pretty much it. This brush is just kind of like a fluffier blending brush, and then I'm gonna go in with the 2 oranges. Oh, their names are under it, so Secure and Agent. And then just put those on my face and blend it all out. I'm also dragging under my eye too, just because like I've recently formed an appreciation for the under, what do you call that? Lash line? No. Under the under eye area? The words are escaping me, but I love how it kind of ties everything together, and I need it. That was a really good explanation. But anyway, this under eye area, it makes a big difference when you add shadow there. It adds a lot of depth to your eye. So I'm kind of doing it simultaneously, so I don't have to go back in later and do it. So I'm just taking the same colors and doing that. I know what you guys are thinking. You're like, you do this every single day. This is most days. Some days I don't wear makeup, and depending on like what time I go to the gym and all that stuff, I won't do this. But it's like my go-to. Like if I am doing makeup for the day, this is what I do. Just because it's so easy, it's pretty effortless. So natural colors, so they go with everything. Like I always do my makeup before I pick my outfit. So what I like about this look is it literally goes with anything. Okay, now I'm gonna go in with Guilt Trip, which is like this little guy. I'm just gonna put it on my finger because I feel like these apply best. Oh my gosh, look at that though. They apply best with fingers. Ha. Oh, also I got my acrylics off. I just have such a like a love-hate relationship with acrylics. Like they just annoy me a lot of the time, but they look so pretty. And for like formal season and all that stuff, like January, for my sorority, like January through April is where a lot of the main events happen. Like all the like formals, dances, events pretty much are in that span of time. So I like having fake nails just because like it always looks done, it always looks nice, you don't have to worry about it kind of thing, because it lasts for so long. Other than that, I couldn't do it. And especially for summer, I feel like it's more practical to have short nails. I don't know what I'm doing that I need short nails, but I just like it better. It's so much easier. Add an inner corner highlight. I'm gonna go in with the VIP color. Brow bone highlight too, same color. Sick. The nose contour is really intense today. I kind of went for it. I don't know, we'll see when I edit this if I absolutely hate it. Because mascara just really does it for me. That's when I like see everything come together. I'm like, ah, yes. This was like my favorite combination freshman year of college. And it's the CoverGirl Lash Blast Volume, and then this guy, the L'Oreal or the Luminous Lash Paradise. I like went on an adventure of like trying a bunch of different mascaras, but these are my go-to. Yeah, I can't talk while I'm doing this. I'll be right back. Okay, so I put on mascara. Okay, so now we're gonna add highlight. Oh, also, and then I put on, this is Lip Seal chapstick. Best thing to ever happen to me. Like, this chapstick is so good. I got it when I was visiting my best friend in Montreal, and it's so good. Okay, now we're gonna add highlight. Oh, also, guess what? I taught myself how to put mascara on with my left hand, because I was talking to my best friend one day and I was like, oh, like I so wish I could just like put mascara on with my left hand, because then I wouldn't get any like smudges across my nose or anything. She's like, well, just like practice and just like do it. And I was like, novel idea. So now I can do it. I've like mastered it and I'm super happy. Highlight, I've been using this stuff, this Cover FX custom enhancer drops in Moonlight. Like they're super amazing. I love them a lot, but it's pretty much gone, and I put a lot of powder on today, so I don't think I want to do that just because it won't look good. This is the ColourPop Double Down. I literally don't even know how to explain this. It's like a, I don't know, like liquid to powder consistency. Oh my gosh, look at that. I'm just gonna build this up, and then I'm gonna put some more powder highlights. Mascara and highlight are definitely two things I could not live without. Actually, mascara, blush, and highlight. But I also love bronzer. I hope I would never be faced with that decision, because that would be too hard. So I'm like really into podcasts, like you guys know this, and I've like wrote out my blog and stuff. Like Pod Save America, that's one of my favorite ones. Also, oh yeah, this is the Wet n Wild, Mega Glow, and oh, Precious Petals. Oh, Jonathan Van Ness's podcast, love those. Those are like definitely more of like a feel-good kind of thing. You're like, oh, like I need a little pick-me-up in the morning. I don't usually like listening to music when I wake up. So like instead when I'm like getting ready for the day, or even at the gym recently, I've just been like listening to podcasts just so I can like keep up with the world while I'm doing my own thing. But Jonathan Van Ness's are like just like a feel-good one. It's like he's funny and it's like lighthearted. So this beauty guru person, Lauren Curtis, just came out with one of hers, and she just did, okay, I'm gonna use some of this because I'm like super extra. This is Artist Couture Illuminati powder. It's a little sample size. I have the big one, I just don't know where it is. Bam! I mean, this is like bam, but like, it's like less, you know what I'm saying? Anyway, so yeah, that podcast. So I listened to, for the first time today, like an episode, I guess, I don't really know what you call this, an episode on like Facetune. And I thought it was super interesting. I don't use Facetune, I never have. I don't edit my pictures. I only, on Instagram and like all my social media platforms, I only put like filters on it. Like I use Visco for like saturation and that kind of stuff. And same with Lighthouse. I have like a free version of it that you can't really do much except for like change colors and like grain and that kind of stuff. So that's all I do, just because, and it's for my own reasons. I don't judge people who use Facetune. I like appreciate that, like you do you kind of thing. it's just like, for me personally, I feel like everyone has self-confidence issues, like definitely including me. I can't like bring myself to like edit my like body or like things like that, just because it would make me personally feel so much more insecure about myself. Like I already compare myself to everyone else, but like I feel like it'd be a different thing to see your own body and not even look like your own body. I feel like that would just like mess me up. But she had like some really interesting views on it. As like a brand ambassador kind of person, how she feels like a responsibility to, like, she does use it, but she says that she will always like disclaim it or that kind of thing, just because she doesn't want like her viewers thinking that that's the way that everyone has to look, because it's so, this is like getting really deep, but like I'm gonna do like a blog post on this for sure. Whoa, lion. Just because I think it's something really important to talk about, and it deals a lot with like self-esteem and like the societal standards that we all hold ourselves to, and that's kind of like basically all she said. But yeah, it was really interesting. It was really cool. So I just thought I would share that. Okay, I think that's pretty much it. Like, this is what I do. And it just like, it's like still natural. Natural. But like, it just like, it makes you like feel good and like feel pretty, and just, it's not super hard to do. Like, it's my basic routine. It's like 3 eyeshadows. My hair's a little crazy. Yeah, it's like 3 eyeshadows. So I'm just gonna spray myself real quick. So we're just gonna spray really quick. I always cover my eyes, but then it covers like my under eyes and like part of my highlight too, because my face is so small. So I think I'm just gonna like wing it and just kind of like, woo. It's just like the Ulta brand. It's Ulta Beauty Dewy Makeup Setting Spray. Okay, also finish off this nice little summer glow situation. I'm gonna take this Milani Baked Bronzer and just like dust this. Just take like a big brush. This one's from Morphe. I don't know what kind it is though. Just looks like this, and then I'm just gonna like take it and swirl it like pretty much above my blush. I don't want it too low because this does have sparkle. I want it closer to my highlight. I just love when the nose is like a little bit tan, because it's like, oh, did you go to the beach? Ooh, like, do you do things? Oh, I just went over my eyebrow. Good thing I used pomade, because that not going anywhere. Okay, cool. Okay, so this is Baddest Beige from Maybelline, and then this Morphe Gloss Flower Crown. Normally I'd probably add a lip liner, but like I don't want to find one. So here we are. This is the final look of like everyday slash when I do makeup kind of thing. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed. This was a lot of fun. It was really nice to like just talk and do this again, because I love this. So yeah, hopefully I'll be posting a lot more on this and on my blog. So yeah, I'll see you boys and girls later.